Certainly. Here are some daily use English phrases along with their meanings. 1. How's it going? Meaning, a casual way to ask someone how they are or how things are progressing. 2. What's up? Meaning, a casual greeting or a way to ask what someone is doing or if anything interesting is happening. 3. I'm sorry. Meaning, an expression of apology or regret for something that has happened. 4. Can you help me? Meaning, a request for assistance or support from someone. 5. What do you think? Meaning, a question asking for someone's opinion or thoughts on a particular matter. 6. Let's grab a bite to eat. Meaning, a suggestion to have a meal together. 7. I'll be right back. Meaning, a statement indicating that you will return shortly. 8. What's your phone number? Meaning, a question to inquire about someone's contact number. 9. Nice to meet you. Meaning, a polite expression used when meeting someone for the first time. 10. Take care. Meaning, a way to bid farewell while wishing someone to be safe and well. 11. I'm exhausted. Meaning, a statement to convey extreme tiredness or fatigue. 12. Can I have a glass of water, please? Meaning, a polite request for a glass of water. 13. Have a great day. Meaning, a well wish to someone for them to have a fantastic day. 14. I don't understand. Meaning, a phrase indicating that you don't comprehend or follow what has been said. 15. Congratulations. Meaning, an expression of joy and praise to acknowledge someone's achievement. These are just a few examples of daily use English phrases. They can be used in various contexts to facilitate communication in everyday situations.